Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Claudette's Charms. I just wanted to do a quick video to update you on a few projects I've been working on since Christmas. It's been a while since I've been on, so I want to show you all my stuffs. I've been playing around with my loom and doing some blankets. I did a few more ornaments, which are just crocheted, basically. I did a little snood on my loom, some squares for blankets, and all kinds of blanket projects. So one scarf. So I guess I'll get started. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is the little rest of the ornaments I did. This little penguin, isn't she adorable? The Crochet House Mouse had the link on, I forget whose link it was, but I'll put it in the description. I just think she is adorable. She's my little ornament. She was on the tree for Christmas. My little penguin. Love her. And then this one's a little gingerbread house that the Crochet House Mouse, she also mentioned it, but I changed mine up a little bit, and I'll put the link below. It's a free pattern. Isn't it cute? So that was on the tree too. Love it. And that was, these were just crocheted. And then on the loom, I did Luma hat, had a little gnome on there for Christmas. I kind of changed it up a little bit, but I'll put the link. I just think these are adorable. You can do these for any season. I might do one for Valentine's Day too. Put it in my Etsy shop. Or give it to my daughters or something. Okay, and then the other day I did this. I wanted to try kind of a Fair Isle thing. This isn't exactly Fair Isle on the loom, but there are many videos out there for that. If you're interested, just do a search. This was called the Little Hearts Snood, and she has a hat and mittens too, and I'll put the link down below. But basically you just do the different colors in the same row, and she explains how to do it. It's super easy. And so I'm giving this to my daughter. We don't really need it here, but hey, who knows, we might be moving somewhere to get out of this heat. We don't know yet. Thinking of North Carolina, actually, Raleigh, because it's not hot year-round like here in Florida. So that will come in handy. But anyway, that's a while down the road. Then I had fun. Let's see, what should I show you next? Blankets. So I ordered this long loom. I had a credit on my Mercari account because I sell some clothing on there. And I just got this loom and decided I had all this yarn that you'll see in my Hobby Lobby haul video, the clearance. I got all this homespun. It's thick and quick. This one's Tudor, and I got Granite, I think is the other one I have, and it actually blends with this if I run out. So I'm going to do some panels. I think this is coming out really good. And this is just the regular, it's some kind of cross stitch E-wrap thing you do on the, it's double knit, it's called. Double knit E-wrap, I think. And I'll link below where I got this, but a bunch of people have this stitch on their website, on their YouTube. Isn't that pretty? And I'm just going to do it in strips and then sew the panels together. So that'll be for me, for my bedroom. And then, oh, I was going to tell you, this yarn was Hometown USA. I got this at Walmart. Portland Wine is the purple. And then I got the white too. Hometown USA, and it's a number 6 bulky. And this Hometown, I think, is also a number 6. Okay, then I did this for my daughter for the back of her chair in her room. I originally did it to go with this couch here, but it doesn't really go, and she really liked it. This can be worn as a shawl too for her, so nice and warm and snuggly. And what did I do this on? This is also double knit. Oh, this is called the stockinette stitch, and I'll do a link on that stitch for you. And then I just did the stripes. And that was with the Hobby Lobby. I don't have very much yellow left. I think I have another half a skein somewhere, but it's the Marblesque Yellow Yarn Bee. And the other color is the Marblesque Mint Yarn Bee, Hobby Lobby. So So that's those. Then I was telling you about my 10-stitch blanket pattern that I was working on, and I'll link down below. I believe it was, oh, I forget her name again. Anyway, I'll link it down below. Good Knit Kisses also has a good tutorial if you want to do a 10-stitch, and then I'll link below the other person that I actually followed. Both of them are good. So I did that, but I decided to stop because it gets too confusing with the corners and I don't have the patience. So what I decided to do is make some squares that will blend and go around it. I don't know. That's what I started to do. And then I was like, oh, that doesn't look very good. So I played around with a bunch of different squares and colors and trying to learn stitches. This one was a Loom hat. Oh, what was it called? Something square. Oh, crap. Anyway, sorry. I'll link it below because I don't remember the name of it. And just experimenting, did these little squares too. And I think this was just a little, I started a 10-stitch maybe and stopped. I don't remember. It was too long ago. It was like 2 weeks ago. I can't remember that far back. Okay. Then I decided I would try, Luma Hat has a basket weave stitch on her channel for the loom. And you can do this in crochet too, just regular crochet. And so I started to do this strip for the back of my chair because it's blue on the other side of the room. And I wanted to bring in some of the greens that are in the couch here because it's blue and green and yellow. So I'm working on that. I'm practicing other stitches. I'm just going to combine the strips. And that was with this puzzle yarn. So it's going to be like all different, like it's got lavenders and blues. And then this one I'm blending with it is another Premier puzzle yarn. And that's what these two are turning out to be. Ta-da! So I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But I have to do several more strips. Here's the yarn. I got it at Walmart. Premier yarns. One of them is Dominoes, the turquoise one, and the blue is called, this is a 5 weight, by the way. Yeah, bulky 5. And this one's called Hangman. So they're named after games, I guess. That's the idea. So there's my blanket stuff. Oh, there's one more. This one, because I was going to do the yellow and the green. I don't know. I might turn this into something else. A scarf, maybe. A runner. I don't know. But I love this yarn. I believe this is Sage. Something Sage from Hobby Lobby, and then that Marblesque, this yellow is that Marblesque yellow from Hobby Lobby. Okay, was there anything else? Okay, that's it for those projects. And then I'm going to be, I want to cover my address here, but I'm going to be, I ordered a diamond painting on Macari because I had more of the balance. And I'm anxious to open it, so I'll be uploading, I'm going to be doing that video and uploading that on Wednesday. And I will unpack it with you and we'll see what the kit includes. And it's a cottage scene. It's really cute. So stay tuned for that on Wednesday. Yeah, today's Monday. And I hope everyone had a happy New Year and a Merry Christmas and looking forward to 2021. Goodbye 2020. Good riddance. Anyway, talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.